Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, I'm just going to show you an update on my portfolios. So in my last video, I told you guys that I won't be able to trade on KuCoin anymore because of um the identity. So you have to basically verify your identity, but because some of the countries are not supported and who can I'm unable to do that. So I'm currently in some short trades and I'm holding these trades. As you guys can see, I'm up 26% on Solana and some others. I have um basically in the money, but I'm still holding this trade, guys. I'm holding this trade until um my mind says close. I'm just holding them for now. So what I am basically trading on now is kind W. So I'm just gonna show you my kind W position and basically where I am at this moment. So yeah, so currently as you guys can see right here, I have a margin of just $2.58. I don't know if I've told you guys this, but in one of my videos I told you guys that when I'm trading futures trading, guys, I don't know, but I kind of do well with less money and trades that I have. So let's say I have $100, I tend to just blow that account. But if I start from small, like about a $2, $3, $5, I don't know. It's like my mindset let me I don't know, maybe because I have a frugal mindset, it just lets me control that money more um successfully. So yeah, so right now, yesterday I was actually up a lot, but guys, the thing is I am short. I am short because I anticipate a pullback in the stock market. And when there's a pullback in the stock market over the past few years, there normally a pullback in the crypto, meaning people are running away from risk asset, and Bitcoin is a asset. So you know it's gonna pull back. So I'm trading a little bit different from my strat. It's a similar strategy that I'm using, but I'm keeping my trades a little bit longer. And once I am basically down, I'm gonna go ahead and tap up my trade in the same category that I normally do, just to have a bigger position. So yes guys, so that's basically what I'm doing, and I'm still up on the money. As you guys can see, on Solana I am up 7 cents. And guys, I didn't start with a lot of money. You guys already know I don't have a lot of money. I'm gonna show you my how much money I have in my account and show you like basically everything. I'm in the money and I'm just holding my position. So I'm gonna go to my balance right now. So how did I get this money on the platform? So what happened is I use a app called Free Cash, and it allows me to take out Litecoins. So after I take out those Litecoin, I go ahead and put them in my spot on kind W. Once I do that, I go ahead and sell it on the market once it's a little bit up. So let's say I put um uh a $2 on this platform, right? I waited until it's about $2.05. So when I sell it, I'm getting my $2 plus a little bit extra, because you have to pay fee when sell. So when I go ahead and sell, I'm getting my exact $2. So when that is transferred over to USDT, which is the tether, I go ahead and put it in my future. So I'm going ahead and sell. And as you guys can see, my account balance is just $4.78. So that's basically it, guys. I don't have a lot of money here, but what happens, even though I don't have a lot of money, I'm able to trade leverage, which I don't recommend if you don't know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, like, you won't take it overboard. Well, but I use a lot of leverage, and how I use leverage is just like, let's say I want a portfolio of $10, and I have um $5, I will go ahead and use the sorry, I will go ahead and use the leverage of basically of 5% or 50% rather, not 50%, of 2%. So what that will do is basically double my um portfolio. So let's say I have $5, I want 10, so I go ahead and use two extra leverage, so I will double my portfolio to 10. And that's basically how leverage is. So even though I have a $4 and something portfolio, my overall portfolio is about 20 something dollars because of that. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. And of course, when I'm trading, I always have a little money just for topping up my account. So how I trade, I show you guys my strategies, but again, the key thing with how I trade, I think I am the cheapest trader like ever, because this is basically how I trade. I trade very cheaply, and I trade very like minimalistic when I'm doing it. So let's say I want to have a position of, let's say, $3 of Bitcoin, right? Going short, because I am going short. I tell you guys where I'm going short already. What I will do, I go ahead and buy it, just buy it on the market, like buy it on the market like that, like by the market order. And once it goes in the opposite direction, I go ahead and tap up. So when I'm tapping up, I'm actually going to that position. So I don't go ahead and put my money at once. I go ahead and tap it up little by little, and over time I will achieve that amount of money that I want to bit in my position, and sometimes even more because I'm buying in small. So that's basically all I do. So I do have a top up uh amount here of $2.58. So yes, guys. So this is basically all it is. So yes, guys. I just want to share that with you. As you guys can see, I am up to press 2 cents here, and Bitcoin, 2 cents in Solana, and um I'm down right here. So that's it, guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. So guys, this is just my update, and so even this is my update and my futures trade, my cheap futures trade. So what happened, even if the market goes in my favor, I have a I have a take profit. So I won't be closing my trade. Um, I won't be closing my trade until I definitely see that there is a shift in trend. So right now there is just a consolidation going sideways. Once it shifts and closes, that's where I'll know if I should tap up more or if I should go ahead and close my trade. So basically that's what I'm doing, guys. So I'm using my same strategy, but I'm just holding my trades for longer. So if you're new to my channel, basically what I do, guys, is just share with you how I earn and line by buying dividend stocks, using money making apps and all of that. So yes, guys. So before I go, guys, I just want to say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.